Hello, WordPress website creators and owners. In the trending plugin series, today we have a very helpful plugin that can supercharge your WordPress site with 165 plus modules. Yes, 165 plus modules in one plugin. It clearly means it is going to remove most of your plugin that you are using for general purposes. And these 165 plus modules, in fact more than 165, can be used for security, performance, SEO, media, admin activities, and it is going to give zero blotting effect because you only load that you enable. I mean, you have simple switchboard to enable and disable any module, any of these features at your WordPress website. So starting and ranging from admin column manager, admin menu organizer, login page customizer, and option page builder, table of contents, WebP conversion. So I'm just reading randomly. It is all available in this plugin. Heartbeat control that we generally use in SEO plugins, activity log for analysis purpose, limit login attempts for security purposes, a two-factor authentication, and again security cloud player turnstile that you may use for using reCAPTCHA functionalities, email SMS verification using OTP, simple CAPTCHA options, email SMTP, redirect manager, and. So if we are talking about all modules, these are 165 modules that you can check at your own. I'm not going to explain all these things because it is available for you through the WP Switchboard official website. Yes, this is a premium plugin and you need to spend a good amount. Yes, so the license fee is $249, but this is lifetime fee, so you just need to pay once. So I believe even it is costing bit higher, but it is going to replace most of your premium plugins even. So it is worth taking if you are willing to have all-in-one solution like a switchboard. So main function with this plugin is or the modules that you are going to use, only enabled modules loads on the page. It means it is going to give your website lightning fast search or one-click activation features, command launcher, intuitive interface, one-click import export, and zero blotting and all such. So if we are talking about features, so we can read this. Instead of installing 10-15 separate plugins for basic admin features, Switchboard bundles them all together. So turn modules on or off with toggle, and disable modules don't load. Disabled modules don't load any code. Okay, good. So these are the features, and I'm sure you are going to explore this. And particularly if you are willing to have only selected feature at your website and you don't need to spend or wish to spend just this $249, so still we are available through our iCreate program. Select the modules here, so I'm giving you otherwise, and you can reach us which plugin can be good for these features may be available for free, so we can help you out. And even in form of bundle plugins it can be available. But yes, WP Switchboard is a single choice that can replace most of your general use plugin, and it is going to give a simple approach for WordPress maintenance and feature maintenance. So explore this, and in the coming videos I'm bringing more useful tools in form of plugins or code snippets for you. So keep watching, keep building, and don't miss to subscribe and allowing the notification if you are willing to improve your WordPress site and digital presence for your company, for your business. Thank you.